The Four Agreements by Don Miguel Ruiz. Book Summary. The Four Agreements by Don Miguel Ruiz is a practical guide to personal freedom, drawing wisdom from ancient Toltec teachings. The book outlines four powerful principles to live by, promising greater happiness, self-mastery, and meaningful relationships. Here is a detailed summary of the Four Agreements. 1. Be impeccable with your word. Words are powerful tools for creation and destruction. This agreement encourages us to use our words to spread truth, love, and positivity rather than lies, gossip, or hate. By being impeccable with your word, speak with integrity, say only what you mean. Avoid negative self-talk. Stop blaming or criticizing yourself. Reject gossip. Don't participate in harmful discussions about others. Your words shape your reality, so choose them wisely to align with your values and aspirations. 2. Don't take anything personally. This agreement reminds us that what others say or do is a reflection of their own reality, not ours. When you take things personally, you allow others' opinions and actions to control your emotions. To embrace this principle, understand projection, recognize that people's reactions stem from their own fears, beliefs, and experiences. Don't seek validation. Your self-worth isn't defined by others' approval or criticism. Detach emotionally. Stay grounded and avoid unnecessary suffering. By not taking things personally, you gain emotional freedom and inner peace. 3. Don't make assumptions. Assumptions lead to misunderstandings, conflicts, and unnecessary drama. Instead of guessing or interpreting others' intentions, strive for clear communication. To follow this agreement, ask questions, seek clarification rather than making assumptions. Express yourself openly, share your feelings and thoughts honestly. Avoid expectations. Don't expect others to act in a certain way. Clarity and communication help build trust and avoid unnecessary pain. 4. Always do your best. This agreement ties everything together, emphasizing effort and consistency. Your best will vary depending on circumstances, but giving your best at any moment ensures you live without regrets. To live by this principle, accept your limitations, acknowledge your energy and abilities may change daily. Avoid self-judgment, celebrate effort, not perfection. Stay committed. Approach every task with focus and sincerity. When you always do your best, you cultivate self-compassion and resilience. Key takeaways. The Four Agreements is a timeless guide for transforming how we perceive ourselves and interact with others. By practicing these principles, you can break free from societal conditioning and self-limiting beliefs, cultivate healthier relationships and emotional balance, create a life grounded in authenticity, love, and personal freedom. This book challenges us to unlearn toxic habits and adopt a new framework for living with joy and purpose. As you integrate these agreements into your life, you'll notice profound changes in how you think, feel, and connect with others. If you're ready to embark on this transformative journey, start practicing these four agreements today. For more self-development insights, subscribe to our channel and stay inspired.